Welcome back to CNR Reviews. This is Coltrane.
That's E-Rock.
Battle box number, mission number. Look, they forgot to put the mission number
No,
on
they
it.
don't put it on the box.
How dare they?
They want it to be mystical.
Mystical?
Okay?
Holy shit, what kind of word is that?
Historical. Okay?
Hysterical.
This is the biggest one we've ever gotten.
Biggest box size.
Yes.
We'll see what we got.
Oh my Jesus.
Holy Jesus Lord. This is Mission 63. And I'll move this box and then we'll go through it all. I guess we should probably open this first. Because these are accessories for what looks like to be...
Yes, okay, yeah, let's do that.
Alright. So what we've got is, it feels pretty empty, but it's heavy duty. And this is a 18-inch tactical pistol case.
That is awesome. And that case looks badass, okay?
Yeah. It's got little clamps here.
Clippers. Clipper nippers. Ooh.
Oh, that's so nice. Ooh. I think I'm going to sleep on that tonight. Now, this was made in America. Plano, Illinois.
Good.
Illinois. Made in the USA, baby. Okay? That's what we like to see.
Hell yeah.
All right. Made in the USA. You can see that there. Awesome. All right, what else we got? What was that, gun oil?
Let me take it out right quick.
It looks like a gun oil thing. Yeah. Cool. That's a carry case for this because so it doesn't leak everywhere.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that is Breakthrough Technologies.
Battleborn HP Pro lubricant and protectant. I like how it's got a little... I like the smell of oil. It has a little tiny syringe, so you can put a little tiny drop. Be very precise with your oil placement.
Precise.
Well, maybe not. Hold on.
Put it in the other way. Yeah. Okay,
oh, there we go.
Little drip safe case. Okay.
That's what it is.
And you put a little top on there. Boom.
And then you can double whammy it and put it in here if you want.
And look.
But
look,
because this thing. All right, what else we got?
Then we got some non-abrasive grip tape.
Okay.
All right, and this is cat tongue grips.
How's that feel? Oh my God.
Yeah. It's propane bottle refill adapter.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. No,
okay.
Yeah. Universal mag carrier.
Oh shit.
For your pistol mags.
Oh yeah.
Any pistol mag, 9mm to 45 ACP, single and double stacked. And then
it's got an American flagging.
Oh yeah, it does. Holy shit.
Molded into the plastic.
See that? That's true.
If you hold it there straight, steady enough.
So we got all the pistol and
that's really good.
Gun essentials. Well, pistol essentials.
I like this, man. I'm really excited about this because you just got a new pistol.
Yeah. Yeah,
that'll be awesome. We're actually, if you're not familiar with some of our other YouTube channels, we are starting another one for real steel guns. We do an airsoft channel as well. Me, Colt, and my other son, his brother, and one of their friends do an airsoft channel, Trifecta Airsoft. And then we're getting ready to start a new channel that's going to be a real steel gun. We'll put some of this stuff on that channel as well as the reviews from this stuff that we're going to use here on this channel. All right, guys. Well, we'll have links for all this stuff or for this battle box. I mean, in these different companies and stuff on this video in the description. If you like our videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell. Okay. Well, I appreciate you guys watching.
See y'all.